Hi, it's Angeline here. Are you loving the Unity stamp cuddle box? Cause they have some new ones this week and this bunny is so cute and fluffy. So I've already stamped and colored the winter bunny cuddle bug with some Copic markers here. And next I'm grabbing some snowflake dies that I have. You could grab any paper punch that you have as well to create your own DIY stencil out of cardstock here. I'm also grabbing the glitterific paints and the oxide ink to ink up my background. So here I want to see where I want to create my background, and I'm using my own DIY stencil that I've created and just ink up with the oxide inks. You could use any kinds of inks that you have, and just imagine all kinds of possibilities that you can create with your dies and paper punch to create your very own unique stencils. Next, I want to add some glitter to my snowflakes, so I'm using back the same stencils that I've just created and using a palette knife and just putting glitter right directly on top of these snowflakes. Don't worry about ruining your stencils because you can always create a new stencil again out from your die or paper punch. So after all the glitter is dried, it's time to assemble the card and just adhere my bunny and sentiment to my card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!